Is real estate even a good investment? Find out in this video. What's up guys, it's Jonschoeller again back with another video. In today's video, I want to talk about, is real estate a good investment? Well, I absolutely think so. If you know me, over the last 2 years, I've gotten pretty heavy into investing in real estate. What I'm doing right now is I'm investing in buy, fix, and flip properties. So I'm buying the property, I'm putting some money into rehabbing it, putting it back on the market, and selling it. I do that with a company that I'm partnered with, and I also do it with my own money, with Rhiannon's money as well. So I think it's excellent. The only regret I have in investing in real estate is that I did not figure it out and start doing it sooner. Guys, Fortune magazine did a study and it says that over 97% of millionaires either have their money inside of or created their wealth through real estate. That's a pretty huge statistic and should tell you that you need to figure out sooner than later how to do so as well with your own money. Other options are great too. The stock market, investing in yourself and in your education, all those are wonderful and I think you should be diversified. But my second favorite is real estate. My first, because I'm biased, is investing in yourself and your own businesses. But the second by far has to be real estate. Let's compare it to the stock market. The stock market, you are going to be extremely lucky if you average 8 to 10% interest through the next 20 or 30 years in your retirement funds or however you have it invested. With real estate, you can see 15 to 20 to 30%, so almost double if you do it correctly and you buy the right product, sell it at the right time, or buy and hold and understand the strategies of real estate investing. So right there's a ton of upside. Also the downside, again on the stock market. Not picking on the stock market, I'm also invested in that and think you should be as well, but I'm just comparing the two. In the stock market, you could buy a stock and there's no guarantee that company will be around in 5, 10, even 2 years, 6 months. You have no idea. So if you put $100,000 in that stock and that company goes away, your $100,000 is completely gone. Let's say you put $100,000 in real estate and the market goes down as well. The likelihood of that house becoming worth $0 is not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. It's never going to be worth $0 unless it burns to the ground and hopefully you have some type of insurance. But let's say the market does take a hit. Yes, the real estate value can go down. We've seen it happen. 2008 showed us this, right? A lot of people lost their hats in that crash. But let's say it goes down by 30%, right? 30% is pretty big, right? That house is still worth $70,000. So yes, technically you've lost $30,000, but you haven't because hopefully you haven't sold it. You don't sell it when it's down. But it's kind of recession proof because someone's always going to need somewhere to live. You can either sell that house, which I don't recommend if it's worth 30 less, or you can now rent it out. And you can always rent it. If you buy it right, you should always be able to rent it for more than your mortgage. So you're always covered there. So as long as someone's living in it and paying the mortgage is not costing you anything, in fact, it could be making you some money on cash flow, again, if you buy right. But when the market rebounds, as it always has, the property's going to go up in value. But again, it's never going to just completely go away or disappear. And if it does from some type of disaster or something, hopefully you have insurance on that property. So that's the great thing about real estate. It doesn't have as much downside, but it does have even more, if you ask me, upside. So that's why I love investing in real estate. And another mistake I made was, again, I didn't get started soon enough because I thought that only millionaires or the very wealthy could afford to do so. That's not true. While the contrary is also not true. I'm sure you've seen the commercials and ads saying, invest in real estate with no money down, start real estate investing with no money at all. It's kind of true. Yes, you don't technically have to come out of your own pocket to get invested in real estate, but you do need some money, right? Knowledge is what you need most of all, but you're going to need some money regardless to get started in investing in real estate. And I'm going to touch on this in future videos. My next video is probably going to be on why you should be wholesaling properties because that's an excellent way to get started in real estate. So anyway, guys, that's what I think about real estate investing. I absolutely think that you should consider investing in real estate. Do your research, study up, get with people that are knowledgeable about it. I know several, including myself. If you don't trust me, that's fine. I know several others. I am not telling you what to invest in. Don't go out and put your money in anything without doing your own research. Like any investments, this all comes with risk. There's always risk when you're investing, or at least there should be if there's any kind of substantial upside. But again, just kind of a disclaimer there or full disclosure or whatever. I'm not telling you to go buy real estate right now, but I am telling you I love it. I absolutely am going to continue to invest in it. Even more so. In fact, I'm starting to focus more on real estate than I am even in focusing on the stock market, which is a big transition for me. So with all that being said, Absolutely, I think real estate's a great investment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate your support. Please like and share if you think this can help others as well. And I'll see you guys on future videos. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram at jonschoeller. Thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next video.